It's a straightforward yet powerful statement that serves as a timely reminder of the value of authenticity in a culture that frequently promotes uniformity. Being who you are involves accepting your special traits, eccentricities, and viewpoints. It entails upholding your morals and convictions, notwithstanding the possibility that they diverge from those of people around you. Being authentic also entails embracing and appreciating your shortcomings, since these are what make you relatable and human. It enables you to establish sincere relationships with others who value and respect you for who you really are. By being true to yourself, you encourage other people to follow suit, which spreads self-acceptance and sincere relationships that can promote development and fulfillment in both the personal and professional spheres of life. Adopting a genuine approach also gives you the ability to resist pressure from others and make decisions that are in line with who you really are. You may cultivate a sense of confidence and self-assurance that permeates every area of your life by remaining loyal to who you are. Additionally, since authenticity keeps you rooted in your own principles and convictions, it empowers you to overcome obstacles and disappointments with fortitude. In the end, accepting who you truly are is a path of self-acceptance and self-discovery that results in a happy and meaningful existence.